Okay, you've done your brainstorming, you've narrowed down your topic, and you've come up with some great ideas. It's time to begin keyboarding in Microsoft Word. Now, before you even begin keyboarding or typing, there are a few settings that you need to make within Microsoft Word. They're really important because they're recommended by the Modern Language Association, or the MLA, and I'd like to show them to you right here. First of all, you want to change your font. The default font in this case is Arial, and that is not correct. The MLA recommends Times New Roman, so I'm going to click on the diamond, the black diamond, or drop down triangle actually, and see what we can find in the way of fonts. And here we have, aha, Times New Roman. So let me click on that. Good, it has now been changed to Times New Roman, but the size is actually too small. So we're going to change that by, again, looking for the drop down indicator, and we'll go to 12, which is the size that is recommended by the Modern Language Association. So before I begin typing any kind of sentence using Times New Roman with a 12-point size, let me just paste a sentence that's using Arial 10-point. I actually cut it or typed it and cut it up so I could paste it, and now I'm going to paste it there. Oh, it's terrible that it got cut up, but anyway, it's now been pasted and it looks just fine, doesn't it? But it's incorrect as far as the Modern Language Association is concerned, so now it's time to show what it looks like with the right font setting, Times New Roman 12. This is Times You can see there's quite a difference between the two. Just use Times New Roman 12 and you can't go wrong. Alright, now the other thing we need to do is change the margins in this document. So we'll just count over from the left. 1, 2, 3 tabs. We want the third tab, which is page layout, and here we have an area called margins. I wonder if that's what we want. Yes, it is, of course. So we'll click on it and you can see that it's on the normal margin, but unfortunately that's incorrect for our academic writing. It has a top margin of 3 centimeters and it really should be 2.54, the same as the left and the right and the bottom margins. Alright, so there's one easy way to change it. Just click on the custom setting that I had set up ahead of time, and there you can see it's 2.54 all the way around. But in case you don't have that custom setting already done, the other way to do it is just to drop down to where it says custom margins, click on that, and then you can actually do it manually by just changing the top margin from 3 centimeters to 2.54, and that's what I'll do just now. Okay, and there we have 2.54 all the way around. Click on OK, and it's done. So we can see that the distance from the top of the page to the right angle where your typing begins is exactly the same as the distance from the left edge of the page and the margin. Alright, and that's what you want all the way around. 2.54 centimeters here, 2.54 centimeters here. The same thing with the bottom, 2.54 all the way around. Okay, so the margins have been set. Now the last couple of things to do are just check your orientation and size. For orientation, just click on Page Orientation, and here you see it set on Landscape. That is incorrect, as you know. To fix it, click on Portrait. Lo and behold, it is now in Portrait. Finally, we want to correct the size. It is now set on letter size, which is okay in North America, but we're in Asia and we want to use the correct size that is commonly used by most businesses and universities and everyone in Asia, and including England too, by the way. That is A4. Done. Okay, it didn't move much, but it is important that it be done so that when you do your printing, everything comes out looking exactly how you expect. And those are the basic steps that you need to set up before you begin typing. Of course, you can always get rid of the demonstration typing before you start, and the next video will show you exactly how to begin your document when you are typing in Microsoft Word. Thanks for watching.